Hi, I'm Susan. I'm starting to do my fall journals, and I was honored to be asked by Anton of Bontik Vintage Designs to do a journal using his kits. So this is the first one I'm going to be doing, and I just wanted to give you a show of some of the papers. Now, I didn't print off all of them. There were a lot of pages, but I did print off a good many. There was a lot more of the double pages. I pretty much got everything else. There may be been one or so of the half pages, but I just wanted to show you what some of his images look like. Now these double pages I'm going to use in my center of my journal. So I just printed off some I thought that I would split nice in the center. I'm going to do this journal as a 3 signature. This one is Vintage Fall Ladies. I believe it is, or Fall Vintage Ladies. And I'll have a code in my description box where you can get so much off of his kits. And he has some beautiful, wonderful digitals, and I highly recommend that you go and check them out. So we've got this one, and I just did a plain backing on these, on the double prints. I've still got a trim, and I was going to do a different backing, and it came up, it just printed something instead. It didn't print the background I wanted. So I just put some white out and put some faux old tape on it, and I think it looks kind of good. I might do that to all of them. But we've got this one, and that's, I just put these double pages, just have for writing space, and I love this one. Some of these remind me, my mom used to read Harlequins when I was growing up. You know, this is back in the 70s, and some of these covers, some of these images remind me of the covers of those books, which was, I thought, a lot of fun. That's why I like this kit so much. But these I did double-sided, and I thought they were so pretty. I like that one. Oh, I like them all. We've got that one. That definitely has the 70s vibe. Got that. We've got that. We've got this one. And then we've got the ephemera that goes with it. And so there's different tags, little things you could do for like clusters and such. All kinds of little things to decorate with. ATC cards, little circles. I should have shrunk my image, however, but I think it'll be all right. And the little bookmarks. But I love this kit, and I can't wait to get started in it. I'm going to be busy fussy cutting. So I just wanted to share this with you before I got started. I won't do a a day by day with this, but I may do tags along the way, or journaling cards, or whatever, work on some of the ephemera along the way, and I will definitely do a flip through at the end. So y'all take care. I love you. Be sure and check out Anton's Etsy shop, and he is such a talented person. And don't forget the code that's is down in my description box. You can see it. So y'all take care. I love you, and until next time, bye y'all.